Yo, man.
What?
Me and my friends, we going out. We going out to the hookah lounge.
I want to hear hookah lounge. What that? What is that?
The hookah lounge is like a little lounge.
Hold on. And that the place holy for girl, them go and them have a big jumbo straw, them suck out the straw and blow out smoke.
We not even going.
Wait, so these are the things you want to do with your night as a man?
Bro,
these are the things you want to participate in as a man?
It's just water vapor.
Bad boy, don't tell me about the water vapor. I don't care about the water vapor.
Bro, it's only water vapor.
Supposed to suck no straw, no jump, nothing in their mouth suck. You want to be around those energies as a man?
All it is
like
water
a splash
vapor,
and burn your life. Fire for that. See those things for girl. For girl. But you want to go hookah. But hookah.
I don't understand, bro. Why you always thinking like that?